In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable and ClickUp. We'll use Zapier to link the two apps so information can move automatically without manual copy-paste. Before you begin, make sure you can sign into Zapier and that you have access to the Airtable base and the ClickUp space you want to use. It helps to have a simple test record in Airtable and a test list in ClickUp so you can clearly see your automation working. Start by opening your browser and going to Zapier's homepage. If you're not already signed in, log in now. If you use multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the right one at the top of the screen so your new automation ends up in the correct place. Next, look for the Create button. It's your starting point for any new automation in Zapier. Click it to open the creation options. This is where Zapier gathers all the ways you can build, from pre-built templates to custom flows. Choose automated workflows. This option takes you into Zapier's core builder for Zaps, which is what connects one app's trigger to another app's action. It's the best path when you want a guided setup that still lets you customize every step. In the search field, type Connect Airtable to ClickUp. Zapier will show you relevant starter setups and suggested triggers and actions based on those two apps. Using this exact phrase helps surface the most relevant options, including templates designed for moving data from Airtable into ClickUp. When you see the suggested builder, click Start Building. This opens the editor with Airtable and ClickUp pre-selected, so you can quickly define what should kick everything off in Airtable and what should happen in ClickUp as a result. From here, you'll configure the details. You may be prompted to connect your Airtable and ClickUp accounts, follow the on-screen instructions, and review the permissions so Zapier can read from your base and create items in your workspace. Pick a clear trigger in Airtable, such as a new record in a specific table or a view filtered for ready-to-sync items. Then choose the action in ClickUp, like creating a task or updating an existing one. Map fields thoughtfully, names, descriptions, due dates, assignees, and links, so tasks are useful and traceable. Use Zapier's built-in test tools to pull a sample record and make sure everything lands in ClickUp exactly as expected. That's the full path. Open Zapier, click Create, choose Automated Workflows, search for Connect Airtable to ClickUp, and hit Start Building. With those pieces in place, you can fine-tune the trigger and action to match your process and keep your teams in sync automatically.